What's going on? It is Amboy Philippines channel here, and yeah, it's a Saturday morning. Actually, no, it's a Saturday afternoon, baby. It's 12:17, and I'm just here driving, going to Stockton, California, coming from Vallejo, California. Going over there to pick up my dad, and actually later I'm gonna go to Santa Rosa, and man, the freeway is so free right now. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. Just driving. Feels good to just drive. Just getting out the house. And yeah, look at all this. Just having a busy day on a Saturday. Just going to places. Then tomorrow going to San Jose. Yeah, over here in California, it's actually just, you see the transmission I have here. It's automatic. I don't like automatic anymore. I used to like automatic, but now I like manual. But if I did have a stick shift right now, I wouldn't be recording this right now. I'll be busy. Actually, no, I'm on the freeway. I wouldn't be busy. I would be on one shift. I'd be on 5th gear, 6th gear if they had a 6th gear here. Yeah. But I just do not like automatic. It gets really boring, and since I'm by myself, I just like moving my body, moving my left leg, moving my left leg, and moving my right arm, and shifting and shifting. I just love it. Doing automatic is just, man, I can, it's like nothing. It's too easy. So I just don't like automatic. That's all I want to say. Yeah, it's easy. I can do this. I could I could do that on a manual also, but it's just a nice drive today. Nice drive. And I'm in the CRV right now, and this car gets good mileage because actually, gas prices, I just got surprised over here seeing in California, because I remember when I left California back in 2009, gas prices were like around $4 or something, and that was like the normal. I was used to, oh, here we go. Here's this 580. That was like the normal. I know I'm filming while I'm driving. It's dangerous. And there's some traffic over here too. So, but anyways, gas prices were like around $4, close to $5. That was normal, and now they are at, it's under $3. So, I'm in the CRV right now, and I'm figuring out, because I just put $20 in this car just earlier, and I'm figuring out this for a full tank of this would be like around 35 to 40. That is amazing, because back in the days it would have been taking $80 minimum at least to fill up a car like this, but now it's like only like 35 to 40. Man, economy's changed over here. I don't know if it was Obama's fault, but anyways, gas prices, oil prices has gone down over here, and it's amazing to see that it's under $3 a gallon over here. It's amazing. I am going to Stockton, and these are the exits right here. Yay! 580 going to Stockton. So just coming from Stockton, and I'm over here. I don't know where I'm at. Actually, I'm going back home and for a little bit, then heading to Santa Rosa. I'm on Highway 12 actually. going towards Rio Vista. And yeah, Highway Diner, Burgerlicious, Delta's best. Subway. But yeah, heading back. It's pretty hot today, so got the air conditioner on. Over here in the US, it's called air conditioner. We do it the long way. Over there in the Philippines, it's aircon. Alright, Fairfield 21, Vallejo 39. Okay. Alright. There you go. You guys can see right there, and these little wind energy thingies, these big Mercedes-Benz logos. I'm here in the country. Yeah, I'm here in the country. In the country, just riding up and down, going up hills, down hills. Here, dong 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 da da dong 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 da da dong 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 da da dong 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 da da dong 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 da da dong 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 da da dong dong dong. Going down the hill, going down the hill. I'm seeing all these Mercedes-Benz logos going down the hill. And there was a highway patrol. Gosh. But yeah. Going up and down hills here. What a drive, what a drive. Woohoo! There's some houses. Finally. There's a Walmart. Yay. I'm not in the country anymore. I'm in the houses. I'm in the territory of houses. I'm in Sassoon City. No more country. I'm in a residential area. My residential area, so I'm almost home. Walmart. This wasn't there before, man. Oh, you guys can see there. It's a Walmart. That wasn't there before. This is a brand new Walmart. I never remembered there was a Walmart over here back in the days. Yeah, this is pretty new. I don't know how long this has been here, but it's pretty new. Going to Vallejo and I get into this. What the heck is going on here? Why is there traffic? Is everybody going to Scandia? Is everybody going to Scandia? Is this Scandia Day today? Is this going to Discovery? What is it? Discovery Kingdom or something like that? Marine World? What? Why is there traffic here? It's a Saturday. It's not a holiday. I don't know. It is 4:48 right now, and there's traffic. Why is there traffic? This is not good. Not good. And I'm changing lanes. At least this traffic is moving, you know. Over there in the Philippines, oh my gosh. Traffic. I'm like used to it. This is good traffic. Please, actually moving almost 40 miles an hour. But there's traffic! Is there traffic? I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's just traffic. All right, so we're here at Santa Rosa right now. We're here at Victory Outreach, and yeah, we're having shotgun. We're doing a live drama here. Hey, hey, hey.
Okay.
This is right here. This girl right here. This sister right here is Naomi.
What up? How are you?
That was that the sun bigger than your life was. No, I didn't run away and run. You look God, you go to church one day. I'll be that's weak, sucker free for me. I'm unashamed every day, boy, sucker free. You breathe at the altar till my knees bleed. I walk a narrow path down till my feet bleed. Capital P-I-G for capital G-O-D. Greater is he living in me. You don't believe me, come and see. Capital P-I-G for capital G-O-D. Greater is he living in me. You don't believe me, come and see. Everything I do for Christ, I do it big, man. Everything I do for Christ, I do it big, man. Everything I do for Christ, I do it big, man. We do it big, man. They can't go big, man. Everything I do for Christ, I do it big, man. Everything I do for Christ, I do it big, man. The old me's dead, the old me's gone. Good luck trying to find him, man, I buried his bones. The old me's dead, the old me's gone. Good luck trying to find him, man, I buried his bones. Don't come looking for the old me. Don't come looking for the old me, I killed him.
All right, so we're here in Santa Rosa. I just bumped into one of my old friends that's over here, and this is Erica. She goes to the Heart Church now.
What you laughing at, huh? Don't you know what the penitentiary I trick somebody like you in the girl? Huh? That's not you getting your heart out there. Huh? Running around town, gang banging, huh? Selling dope. Tonight, we're going to show you what it's like where we come from. Matter of fact, you ready to be my crew? I'm still ready to be my crew. Now, everything up and down this block here. We got the guns. We got the drugs, we got the women. What are you looking at? You think this is funny? Look at it, yo. That's right, DOA is out. And now that nigga they call money. Man, this shotgun ain't come out and run thing. Yeah, I can smoke you right now, nigga. Check this out, nigga. I wish you would. But you know what? Check this out. Hey, we run this neighborhood, man. Matter of fact, take your monkeys and get them out of here, man. This dude got jokes, man. Check this out. Beamer. We got the money, the cars, and the we call this the Eddie bill. Bundy Street. Man, you know who I am? They call me Eddie Boy. Let me tell you a little something about this fool right here. Shotgun. Man, you don't run nothing out here, roll boy. In fact, you've been locked up way too long. Man, you don't run the streets out here. Well, what you need to do is wake up and smell the chicken or dog.
Come on now.
That's a fish to me. Fish? Man, that boy funny, man. But hey, you see this? You see this fool? We got all the ladies and the drugs. Yup, China white. But get ready for that pure Filipino. Pure cocaine, baby. Man, we run these streets down. But don't get it twisted, fool. Man, these flips been put in work to take over this whole Bay Area.
He had a Homer light. Oh my
I heard your cat died.
Cat? I got no cat. What you talking about? Hey, check this out, Psycho. Where you at, man? Hey, I could have swore I seen you roll up in a new bike, homie. I told you we'd cut up.
Coming out my ears, bro. I got 2 hogs. I got the girls coming and going out my room, man. Life is good.
Hey, get there, DJ. There we go, out there. You don't want to pump your right. You need a bullet, huh? Pump. Check this out, man. Walk right here, man. Get there right there. Man, we can walk over the way.
Peter's got armor like
Come on.
change people's lives.
And my King, I'm a new creation in you. I thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. That's it right there. That is the beginning of your walk with Jesus Christ. Come on, give the Lord a hand of praise.
All right, we're out here. We are in Santa Rosa still, but we are out, and we're about to do in and out, not. And we're trying to get in and out of the parking lot. That's what we're trying to do. But these guys don't even want to leave. What the heck? They're not even sitting in the car. Lord. Are you kidding me? Lord. We got all these guys. Man, this guy's about to come out faster than you guys.
Jesus, come on.
Oh my God. Look at that butt. No. Oh gosh, thank you. Thank you. Man, what are you guys doing? I'm about to
He's just sitting there eating his food.
I'm about to karate chop all you guys once I get out of here. Once I get out of here. What? People do that nowadays? They go inside their cars and just eat their food? They can't eat it inside? Now we're finally inside. I'm here with Joe. Hi, Joe. No, he's not actually like that, but but we're finally here and in and out, and this is what we got. Boom, boom. Just need the music video. Need the background music. Oh. All right, in and out. We are about to have a taste of heaven up in here. Yeah, what I did was I put salt and pepper on my fries. See, I love my pepper. I love my pepper. And you know what? I have my double with animal style, baby. Animal style. Oh, animal style. Look at this. It's so good. It gets on people's shirts. This is the bomb.
Wait lang.
May naisip ko ba?
Oh, sige, ganito.
Reject ka. Reject ako.
Okay, next. Reject daw.
Mananalo na sana sa akin.
Eh, ako lang mag-iisa mag-a-approve. Ay, reject. Ay, mag-a-approve.
Kaya na.
Let's go.
Testing mo. Kami dalawa, tapos kayo dalawa.